Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a filterable gallery to your WordPress website using Elementor. This is a fantastic way to showcase your images in an organized, interactive format that allows visitors to filter through different categories with just a click. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Plugins, then select Add Plugin. This is where you'll install the necessary tool to create your filterable gallery. Now, even though I've already downloaded the essential add-ons for Elementor plugin, I'm going to walk you through the installation process so you know exactly how to do it yourself. In the search field that appears, type in Essential Add-ons for Elementor. This plugin is packed with powerful widgets that extend Elementor's functionality, including the filterable gallery feature we're after today. Once you see the plugin in the search results, click Install Now. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you. After the installation completes, you'll see an Activate button appear in the same spot. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This step is crucial because without activation, the plugin's features won't be available in your Elementor editor. Next, navigate to Pages in your dashboard and select All Pages. This will display all the pages on your website. Scroll down through the list and look for the specific page where you want to add your filterable gallery. Once you've found it, click Edit with Elementor. This opens up the Elementor Editor interface, which is where you'll build and customize your gallery. In the Elementor panel on the left side of your screen, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Filterable Gallery, and you'll see the widget appear in the results. This widget is what makes the magic happen, allowing you to create a gallery with built-in filtering options. Click on the Filterable Gallery widget, or simply drag it to your desired section on the page. You'll see it drop into place, ready for customization. Now comes the fun part, setting up your gallery. In the Widget Settings panel, click on the Content tab. This is where you'll add all your images and configure how they appear. Look for the section labeled Gallery Items and click on it. This section controls each individual image in your gallery. Scroll down until you find Gallery Item Name and click on it to expand the settings for that particular item. Continue scrolling down and you'll see a button that says Choose Image. Click on this button to either upload new files from your computer or select images from your existing media library. This flexibility means you can use photos you've already uploaded or add fresh content specifically for this gallery. After selecting your first image, you'll need to repeat this process for each additional image you want to include in your gallery. Simply add a new gallery item and follow the same steps of clicking Gallery Item Name, scrolling down and choosing your image. And there you have it, you've successfully added a filterable gallery to your WordPress website using Elementor. Your visitors can now browse through your images in an organized, visually appealing way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.